I got a bathrobe, a couple of bathrobes. Bakit Movenpick? Mag-isa lang ako eh. Bakit dalawa tong bathrobe nyo? Cha! This is Movenpick. Hi there. I'm excited to show you guys around and just arrived. Health protocol first, guys. Give me 1 second. 36.2. Ang dami. Just sanitize my hands. I'm 36.2. We're good. Are you Francis? Hey, nice to meet you. Medyo basa pa sa sanitizer eh. Hello. Nice to meet you.
Dito na lang po tayo, Mr. Belen.
Thank you.
Sige po.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Sige
Thank
po,
you.
kahit iwan nyo na lang po po ngayon.
Thank you.
Proceed to the reception po.
Okay.
Everything set na po.
Hi, Francis.
Hi. Hi there.
And guys.
Rachel will be the one to assist you for your second.
Thanks, Francis.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, Rachel. Good morning. So guys, I'm on my way to my room and let's do a quick tour later. Are you seeing this? This looks amazing. I'm so excited to stay here. And of course, like any other travel vlog, room tour! Room tour! Let's get started with the bed, guys. That is my king size bed. Sorry for messing up. And it's a huge bed. And again, I'm traveling alone at this time. But this is an amazing bed. I'm excited to sleep in it later. It's got some exquisite woodwork and a great headboard. I also got a ano man tawag dito? A couch. I also got a couch and you know, for when I wanted to work. They got like, I think this is a 32-inch television. That's awesome. Not sure what's in here. Oh my god. This is the mini bar. Oh my gosh. I got the refrigerator. I got a mini bar in here. I think I got a couple of glasses. And below, I got a coffee maker. I got some tea, coffee, water, and of course the cup and the works. I got a huge mirror. Okay, fix your hair, PM. I got a huge mirror, guys. In the mirror, I got a cute and comfortable chair. This is a huge cabinet. I got an umbrella for when I go out and I don't want to get myself burnt. I got a nice safe, a huge safe actually. It's nice. And in the drawer underneath, I got the laundry bag for when I need to get my stuff washed. I keep on calling it cabinet. This is not a cabinet, this is a closet. Palagay ko. Sa probinsya kasi namin wala, orokan lang. But I got a bathrobe, a couple of bathrobes. Bakit Movenpick? Mag-isa lang ako eh. Bakit dalawa tong bathrobe nyo? Cha! Yep, but that's a bathrobe. So apart from this mirror, guys, there's another huge life-size mirror here. Hey, OOTD, yes. What's up? What's up? Oh yes, bowl of the day. For when there's emergency, if I need help in washing my child. Ah, that's a nice mirror. It's a movable. Yes. And I got a good sink, glasses for when I brush my teeth, and I get the typical set of toiletries. I got face towels. I got a hand towel over there, a couple of them actually, and a good shower room. That's a huge shower head. A couple of shower heads actually. Okay. And guys, this is the amazing part. So just to let you know, I've been speaking to Francis. He's, I think, the property manager here in Movenpick. I've been in touch with him for, I think, a couple of weeks ago now, if not 3 weeks ago. But, you know, short story, I've been telling him, baka pwede ako mag-request ng room na may magandang view, because I'm a stressed out person. I need a lot of de-stressing. Char! But, yun, I'm gonna show you what he has given me that's included in this room. And by the way, Movenpick, thank you so much. As per Rachel, there was a complimentary upgrade, the best. So thank you. I got a couch here. That's a really nice couch. But are you ready for this, guys? Look at that. Let's have a step outside. Look at that amazing view, guys. Isn't that awesome? That's a good, I don't know, place. I don't know what that, but that's so interesting. I haven't been to this side of Boracay. That is the pool over there. I can see the blue part, and of course the sea and the beach over there. And wait, guys, this is just outside the property. That is the beach. So I kind of got like two options, guys. I kind of got like two options, guys. If I want to go to the beach or just simply chill at the pool, I got those options. I will see you in a bit. Ciao. Hey guys, I just went out of my room, charged all my gadgets, but gutom na ako, guys. Mag-ano muna tayo, facility tour tayo here at Movenpick. Let's go. And I need to go to 20. So I'm terrible with maps, just to let you know, and hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Guys, I'm on my way down to the lagoon before we head on to the restaurant. I wanted to show you because I saw this in the map, and I'm curious kung ano itsura niya. So, oh, souvenir shop. So I guess this is the lagoon. We got a nice pond. And you got a short bridgeway. I guess that's headed to the pool. Yep. This is indeed the lagoon. And I just saw that it's a fitness center. Something I might not be going to. Chat. Terrible with directions. So I'm going down. I actually came from that part dun sa taas. Sigurado mamaya hingal-hingal ako. But I've headed down dito sa area na to. I don't know what this is called, but I made it to the pool area. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Here you got more of the guest houses. More. And I'm famished. I want to eat. Well guys, I'm at the pool area now. When I looked up Movenpick, well, I learned that it has, well, it is a resort that has the biggest pool in the whole of Boracay. And seems like it's living up to its name. So let's go around. Pool is so perfect. Looks amazing. Hi Kuya. Good morning. No, it's okay. So I kinda reached the beach part, and it's here. That is the beach. And the great thing up here is that at the presa, I think it's the bar, so you got a lot of lounge stools, and again the cute cabana over there, something that I like. It's so aesthetically pleasing. God, look at that view. That view is so amazing. Sobrang layo ng lalakarin. Mag-exercise ka talaga dito guys. But before we get to the restaurant, I'm gonna show you the beach club. This is like where they entice guests for a drink, so it's called Sol Marina Beach Club. So you get like a good vibe of the beach. Got good seats. The house. Hi Kuya. And of course you got the chairs. More accommodation spaces over there. And again the beach front. Oh, that's amazing view. It's so amazing. Finally, welcome to the market. Nakakakain na ako. I'm so hungry. Hey. So guys, that is pretty much the facility. I know that I haven't been able to bring you throughout the entire complex, but that's what I could share with you. Abangan nyo yung mga activities ko here in Movenpick, my upcoming vlogs. Baka himatayin na lang ako dahil paakyat siya, meron siya. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification para updated kayo sa mga nangyayari sa channel ko. Bye bye.